How to transfer WhatsApp Business from Android to iOS or Android. Are you looking to move your WhatsApp Business data from your previous Android device to a new smartphone? Discover how Wondershare's Dr.Fone WhatsApp transfer simplifies the entire process for you. It's a very effortless and seamless process, and please follow this procedure as discussed in the video to get the things done. Part 1. Transfer WhatsApp Business from Android to iOS. We will first understand the process of transferring WhatsApp Business from Android to iOS devices. For those who have bought a new iDevice that feel difficulty transferring WhatsApp Business data, the guide presented next is the ultimate remedy for them. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Transfer Tool. You need to start by launching Wondershare's Dr.Fone on your computer and connect it with your phone. Progress into Toolbox WhatsApp Transfer after connecting your old Android and new iOS device with USB cables. Step 2. Select appropriate transfer function. As you progress onto a new window, select Transfer WhatsApp Business Messages from the WhatsApp Business tab. Step 3. Define the device position. Continue with setting the position of both devices on the next screen. Set the source and destination of the devices with the aid of flip button. Once done, choose Transfer on the bottom right of the screen. Step 4. Confirm backup prompt. The prompt appears on the screen asking the user to keep or remove the WhatsApp Business data present previously on the destination device. Select appropriate checkmark and click Next. Step 5. View the progress of the WhatsApp Business transfer. Well, the WhatsApp Business transfer starts and can accessed from Progress report displayed on the next screen. Step 6. WhatsApp Business from Android to iOS transfer done. The process will end in a while. Part 2. Transfer WhatsApp Business from Android to Android. You can also consider transferring your WhatsApp Business account from Android device to another Android device while using Dr.Fone. WhatsApp transfer, while the process gets much easier for users, they can have the whole process done in a very small time. Follow these steps for these operations. Step 1. Set source and destination Android devices. After accessing the WhatsApp transfer tool, proceed to set the source and destination devices for your method. You can also use the flip button to change the places of both devices. Continue with the transfer button to start the process. Step 2. Backup previous data of destination device. You will have to confirm the prompt showing whether to keep the backup of destination device or not. Click Backup if you want to, or press Continue to lead to the next screen. Step 3. Check completion of WhatsApp Business transfer. View the progress of WhatsApp Business transfer between Android to Android devices for clarity. Click Cancel if you want to abort the whole process, otherwise let it complete. Step 4. The process is done. The whole process is completed successfully. Keep an eye out of the regular stream of product guide videos that we are frequently uploaded on this YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the icon button so you will be notified about any new videos that we are uploading. And if you have any other questions or you want a specific video on certain topics, please comment below and let us know. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.